dawn after chaos, two powers rose from ruin. The elves, radiant, wise, guardians of magic, and the dwarfs, steadfast, proud, masters of craft and stone. Two peoples, divided by nature, yet bound by destiny. They met upon the borders of mountain and sea, where elf envoys brought jewels and lore, and dwarf kings offered steel and stone. For the first time, words of peace echoed across the old world. A golden age started, an oath of trade and friendship. Elves taught the runes of light, dwarfs shaped them into gold and steel. Together they built wonders, halls that shone like dawn. Their bond kindled a spark of hope. Ships of elven design bore dwarven steel across the seas. Monuments rose in the east and west, empires strengthened by trust. It almost felt too good to be true. But envy and whispers are patient foes. Darkness crept through trade routes and pride sharpened like a blade. Misunderstandings became insults, and the warmth of kinship began to cool. Then came blood. Caravans burned, messengers were slain. Both sides cried treachery. Neither would yield. The grudge was written, carved in stone and sorrow. Now only echoes remain. The elves remember betrayal, the dwarfs dishonor. Yet in the silence of their ancient halls, some still whisper. Do they remember the time when they called each other friends? All these questions and many more will be answered in The Tales of the Old World. Subscribe and click the notifications button. And I shall see you in the next tale.